Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Install only way and immediately grant storage, notification, and accessibility permissions so automations can run reliably. Next, tap Create New Flow, choose the trigger, time, app launch, or system event based on what you need. Give the flow a clear name, set its priority, and enable background execution if the option appears. Once done, save the flow and test the trigger once to confirm the app responds. You now construct the core of the automation by chaining actions in logical order. Start with input or sensor reads, then add conditional logic so the flow makes decisions. Use variables to store results, global for reuse, local for step-limited data, and initialize defaults to avoid null errors. When calling APIs, add HTTP action, parse JSON, and convert types as needed. Also insert delays and retries. This prevents race conditions and ensures external services have time to respond, which makes the automation robust. You finish by running end-to-end tests and inspecting logs to confirm each step behaves as expected. Enable verbose logging if problems persist. Then schedule or toggle activation and export the flow as a backup so you can restore or share it. If the automation fails, first check permissions and ensure variables have correct types. Next, verify timing, add delays or retries, and confirm external API keys or network access. One reliable troubleshooting tip: reproduce the failure in stepwise mode to isolate the exact failing action.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.